Hey guys, we're back again with another video, and this time it is another the first take video. So let's get started.
Real time, the fast take. Oh, they are back, guys.
Just it. Yeah, they are back. They were great last time.
Yeah.
They must have performed the song at the same time.
Yeah.
We started an amateur group. Or is this the same? Sing some epic and the hearts become one. So true.
They are so good, you
Yeah,
know.
let's do it. Alright, hi.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Wow, guys. This is amazing.
Wow.
Ooh. So good.
Ah. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
This is pure gem, man.
Seriously, this is really nice.
Yeah. Ooh, what a
Wow.
start, guys.
What a start, seriously.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Ooh.
So was the school song of Alma Mater Dauta Mordo Mori Daiichi Junior High School. Oh my god.
Okay, guys,
They are
let's
school
go.
friends.
Okay, they are school friends.
Yeah.
This is impressive, man.
Yeah,
Look,
they're like
they are from
together from
school.
school.
Yeah. This is impressive.
This is really impressive.
Man.
当時我々はですねグループとしてですねずっと
My goodness
形で歌い始めて、そしてまあ
25th, 30th, 31st, 40th anniversaries.
Ooh, that's really cool.
こうして、
The members of our gathered and sang together. Oh my god, that's for so long.
これはね
That's really
ず
good.
っとここ
I've been pursuing our solo careers for
For
decades.
decades, and
活動しているわけです。
they are
And
doing it
it's
for the
because we have been
longest
lucky
time.
enough to be involved in music at all this time. Yeah, that's really lucky, and also really we are grateful, honestly.
Yeah, to react on this
やっぱ
performance.
りずっとそれぞ
Like
れが
gods of music are
They are
really
legends,
nice.
actually.
Yeah,
そんな
like at this age, they are just
ご褒美なんだね。
they are just killing it.
Yeah.
私はね来年は45年という
45th, and next year is our 45th anniversary.
また来年
Hope
は
we'll enjoy the
Ooh, blues music and rock and roll will be coming with
coming
next year.
with next year. Yeah, sure, we will.
そんな思いでいますけれども、まあちょっと吉尾も、一つですねみんなに自分の思いを
Tell them how
いや
to
久
feel.
しぶりにね、マーチンの
Since I have
ツアー
joining
I'll be
Martin,
joining Martin.
ちょっとね、楽しみながらもちょっと聞いて
God, while enjoying myself, yeah, that's great.
そうですね。
We'll
take my
take
usual
usual
position
position
behind
behind
Martin,
Martin,
Martin
diagonally
behind
behind.
斜め後ろに立てることができるという
Okay.
ことで、そして来年はですね、
So have supported us from the very beginning means so much for
一緒に
us.
ですね、
This is so good.
あれたら嬉しいな。
Oh God, they have aged, but they look
Yeah.
じゃあですね
their dreams sounds
Yeah.
their dreams
Also.
and then their looks. Everything looks so young. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's not like they have aged with the
Aged
aged.
with- yeah.
Like aged with
This
the
is-
age they are aging on, like it's
Yeah.
kind of like that, like they are aging but they are not aging mentally, so they still have a dream to chase.
Yeah.
They still are chasing something, they still are working for something, and that's really great, and that's why they are still mentally young, really young, and
Also,
that's why they are able
together,
to
we are happy for them.
yeah, and also the fact that they are together and performing all of this, and also they're lively.
Yeah.
They are very lively. So that's why it's really nice to see a youthful vibe in them. Other
I
than
love
that,
that feeling.
like the people who are aging at this time will say, in our time we did this like this, in our time we did this like that, but they are adapting, they are continuously going on, moving
Yeah.
forward, and also they have a dream to chase. They are
Yeah.
thinking on what to do next, what will their plan be like, and everything. This is great. This is great.
This is great so far.
普通ミュージックであります、記念する
Here's our debut song from when we were a group.
ください
Hi, Run Away.
Run away.
Ooh.
Oh. One second.
One second, let me just check. Our mic is a little bit.
Run away. It's okay. Ooh.
Far away to a beautiful land. Oh my god, wait.
Is it working? Look the obvious. Yeah, it's working. Can you just say it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let's play. Run away.
Wow, sweet, sweet darling, run away. Wow.
Ooh.
Oh, new singers.
Yeah.
Chorus singers.
Chorus, they are chorusing. Ooh.
They have a vibe of 90s.
I love
They have
the way
they do have a vibe of 90s,
yeah,
which
it's
is really
nostalgic
great. Yeah,
feeling.
like I used to watch animes from 90s such as
Yeah.
Goku and then Great Teacher Onizuka.
Onizuka.
This type of animes did have this
Yeah.
kind of musics, and I really relate to that. Like I was born in 2001, but that doesn't
I
count
watched too
because
much anime in my childhood, and
I
loved
still
it,
am an anime
man.
fan. So yeah, I do know some of 90s.
The intro song are just
Yeah,
like that, man.
like you are not able to even skip it.
Yeah,
Like every
intro song is
is the OG thing.
OG
It's
thing,
It's
yeah.
like the OG thing. Like you won't skip it at
Yeah.
any cost. Like
you remember with with the intro song. Every anime has different kind
yeah,
of
yeah, vibe in it,
vibe in
and
it.
it was really nice. And
I
also
love that.
the fact that the intro songs also like used to have little bits of scenes from the main anime,
Yeah.
like frames, and we used to watch that, and then we used to see the whole
Yeah.
see like
We do
whole
that things.
span. Like that was a great thing. Like
Yeah, man.
these are great facts. Like really.
Let's play. Ooh.
Or sometimes it is also outro songs as
Yeah.
well. Like outro songs used to be great too. For Attack on Titan, outro songs are the best.
Yes, yeah.
And also the intro songs, both are OGs. Like each season has different,
different vibe also.
like different intros, different outro.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow. Wow. Sweet, sweet runaway.
Ooh. Oh.
His
It's
trumpet.
tribute to him
His
also.
trumpet. His
Wow.
trumpet. That's great.
I like his watch, man.
Yeah.
His golden color watch.
His golden watch.
Color matched with his trumpet. Favorite
Yeah,
trumpet.
actually, his favorite trumpet.
Ooh. Ooh. So good.
So good. Like there is a very old school vibe
Yeah.
to it, which is really great. Like even if you watch like Hollywood movies or any other areas, the movie of any other countries from peak 60s, 70s, 80s, you will see trumpet in every song. Like
Yeah.
if there is a song, you will see a trumpet going on. Like I have seen it. And I will recommend you a very nice movie which you can watch probably from any other movie place or maybe YouTube, and that is Look Back in Anger. Okay, so you can watch that. That is really nice. And the guy who is the main character, the protagonist, that guy plays trumpet. And that trumpet, starting with the trumpet, like the playing of the trumpet, is really nice. And honestly, that creates the whole mood of the situation. Probably in the whole movie, you will not see a lot of trumpets, but you will see trumpets playing by him, and in those situations where he's sad, maybe where he's angry, maybe. And it is the story of 1960s, probably released in 1959, and then it is 60s, obviously. So it is early 60s to be exact. So yeah, you can watch that.
Yeah.
much I love it.
Oh. To a beautiful light. Ooh. The way back vocal working, it's really good. I love the feeling.
Yeah. Darling, run away. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Wow.
What a performance!
Wow.
What a
Yeah.
performance,
What
guys.
a performance. See, they still
Love it.
left.
Yeah.
They're talking, right? I think we did a great. Yeah, you guys did a very great job. Like, loved it. I loved it. I loved it.
生配信が
We are live streaming.
録画じゃない
This
It
is
is not taking.
entertaining.
Okay.
For it, they didn't. He didn't
This
know.
second take, it went really well. Really, there is a good live feeling on little rough around the edges. It feels really good. Plenty well.
でも気持ちいいですね
Very good, right?
気持ちよかった
It felt really good.
We did feel really good too.
A little overwhelmed. Thank you very much.
さあ、実はです
So
ね、
actually,
Okay, next song
the viewers,
for the viewer.
yes,
いろいろとですね、
have
視聴者の皆様
some.
たち
We have some question from the viewers. Okay, so we will cut this video right
Yeah.
here because the performance is over,
Yeah.
and we would see the like rest of the video alone. Because this is long and you probably
Yeah.
don't want to be here watching just them talking and us talking.
But we love
So-
them because of their dressing sense, and also in the
The fact
modern
that they
era,
have-
they just killing it because of their classic
Yeah.
classic voice quality, and also that.
They have a really classy tone to their to their vocal as well as their clothing style and
Yeah.
everything. They look from a band, and he looks like the band member who is in charge, and it is like a whole situation going on. So
Actually, I am very old school fan, old school song fan, because I used to listen Queen and all the rock band, Michael Jackson also. And
Michael Jackson I did hear
yeah,
a lot.
and also I love because of their performance. I know that they are the one, actually. They're the legends.
like during the COVID-19
Yeah.
situation, we didn't know, like we didn't had any place to go, anywhere to go, so we were literally enclosed in our
Yeah.
own home. So I got very fond of watching animes because they were long form of content, and also there were so many things to rely on, and a lot
Yeah.
of things to that you can show your emotions through, or you can feel emotional.
Yeah.
Right. So I started with Naruto. No, I started with Death Note from a friend's.
I started with Full Metal Alchemist.
And
Alchemist.
then when I watched Death Note, I was like, this is not the starting point. The starting point should be Naruto, and then a long form contents like that, and then a lot later Death Note should come. Anyhow, so I started watching, and then I watched Great Teacher Onizuka because of his recommendation, and I heard like this kind of music there.
This kind of
Like,
music
yeah.
in GTO.
Yeah, GTO, the Great Teacher Onizuka. So yeah, I loved that too,
Yeah.
and the feeling that these guys gave is like the same feeling I got when I started watching Great Teacher Onizuka, and that is really great. Thank you so much because like it feels like I'm still reliving that moment.
Yeah.
I have watched the complete anime, so I didn't wanted to rewatch it again, or I didn't got enough time to rewatch it now. At this point, I'm like yes, like tomorrow I have exam. Okay, tomorrow
Yeah,
at the
yeah,
very
exam.
starting of the morning, at 11:30 I have exam. So yeah, I'm very nervous right now. So I don't have enough time after studying, recording videos. That's why it's like a very fresh air to me.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Guys,
for
like
watching.
these guys are really nice. And thank you so much if you're still watching.
They're so cool. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.